Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Saturday session. Today, we are going to talk about a very famous contemporary Indian artist, Rameshwar Bruta, and his art practice. In his 6 decade long career, Rameshwar Bruta has explored themes ranging from social satire to deep introspective ideas. The artist is known for his paintings of male bodies and his unique technique in which he first apply layers of different colors on the surface and then meticulously scrape away the upper layer of the painting using a sharp knife to literally unearth his luminous images. Today we are going to learn a similar technique but in a more simpler way for kids. I'll show you how. So these are the materials that we require. Here I have covered my sheet with masking tape all around to give it a neat border. We are going to start by putting a layer of oil on the paper by rubbing oil pastel with full force. We need not leave any white space or white pores. We are going to color it nicely, cover the whole sheet nicely with oil pastel. Once we are done with this, I'm going to use a water-based paint which will not enter in the oil layer and it will not merge basically with our oil pastel layer. So here I have taken poster black paint and we will evenly brush it on the sheet. Once it dries up completely, I'm going to scratch the top layer using a toothpick and you'll see how this nice color is popping up. We can create endless patterns like hatching, cross hatching, zigzags. We can make small triangles, spirals, can easily make long and short strokes. is another one where the base has multicolor and I am composing these floral patterns on it. We can use any sharp tool other than a toothpick as well. Here I've taken an old clay tool which I had, which has a really sharp point. Here I'm removing the tape now. Then I want to show you one more detailed one where I'm using really small thin strokes, and here in the background I've taken white and yellow oil pastel color to give this white and black and white feel. So basically in this technique you can go as bold as you want with thick outlines to emphasize the object and or the element, or you can go intricate with soft and thin lines to show the details. I hope you enjoyed this session. Do try one at home and tag us back. Thank you.